Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can transfer money from Coinmarketcap to Cash App. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what is Coinmarketcap? It's basically somewhere where you will be able to track and have the update of your cryptos and can keep on having the regular updates and can know more about the information, the ups and downs, the charts, and the profits, and the situation of each crypto over here, and keep track of it. That's what basically CoinMarketCap is for. Now you do have option of simply connecting it with to your another cryptocurrency exchange app or the buy and sell app, which will be the Binance, for example. And you do have option of connecting them. Now even the question comes whether you can transfer the money or send money to Cash App. But unfortunately, some Coin Market Cap is only to show the updates and have the information. It does not require the service of the sending money to any other digital transfer online digital payment method. It does not have the option. So for that, but you do apparently have the option of simply going to portfolio and connecting it to, as I mentioned, Binance or OKX account if you have any of it. And once you have connected it, then you will be able to do the transaction to your Cash App from the Binance itself or the OKX account itself. So that is the only way for you to do the send money process to Cash App. Hope this video helped you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.